You know they go club now. Where you they go past select church? You know they go.
I agree. Say that select church and they go. When you go club, you go enjoy yourself. Not to go worry those babes.
No, the girls they worry me.
I let they worry you. You.
Me when my mama born where you talk this one no. If not be say you old cab for you go club today, I tell you.
No, we go. I follow you.
I'm not Nehemiah. I said Nehemiah. I'm not the follow you to go anywhere. Which level you want go there go drive people?
Me only go there.
No, say if you enter club, everybody go fall out.
I said me only go
Don't
there.
say their mama can cash them where. Your mama cash you where. Back in there, yes, I 102.7 original Naija station. Money runs and with Osh Baby and Naija Babe. That bedroom I hear Mama and the song of original boy. You know now Mayorkun on the beat. And right now, as I talk to you, so Mayorkun did the apartment. Yeah, daddy.
Yeah, daddy.
Yeah, daddy. Mayorkun a sure boy, Mama, as I talk to you, na correct boy.
I don't see him for anybody.
In behavior, they very
I know say as a face dry, you no go dry like that.
No. In face was past this before. When they first signed and when they first showed this place, that time he posted there, and I remember that Friday.
Yeah.
That the first day we meet on one-on-one. That time when he come, very humble guy, he tell us how the video take meet, how they take meet, how they take join the video record label. And if you notice from that time,
all they can sabi humble.
No.
When they just start, they can sabi humble.
No, Mama Naija, this one not be like them. I will tell you so. Don't me they give the calculations.
Okay.
Man still pay you on top. And they calculate for you. I say from that time reach this period, so the bobo still they doing work, they go. JJ Mayorkun, how work done there for you so far from when you started now?
Work done sweet. Like contrary to what me I think. You know, I not sure say the things supposed go that way.
Yeah.
If they go, we they enjoy and we get. Everybody they like them. Thank God.
No, okay, so everybody they like them. And if you obviously if you compare from when you start this work and the kind of respect and response where they get now, the gap they very big.
Of course, very very bad.
Okay, and how many songs you don't do from the first time and when you start with your record label till now?
Mama na my fourth song.
Fourth song now you don't do. So that take like 2 years now you don't do.
No, 1 year, 7 months.
Nah.
Which
my picking and mate.
which one?
Yeah, my picking and mate.
Which apart from this Mama,
the first
which one you don't do?
No, make you have to give you the first one. Oriyami eleko, onabomi eleko, onabomi pantiro no mana pada lẹ́yìn mi.
The second one.
Then I drop Love It Tire with Easy.
Oh yeah, baby I go love it tire.
Then I drop Sade.
Now Sade will play this morning.
Now we play this morning.
How you go play that Sade? Now we play and now he don't give away.
That Sade you can't make our accountant for this company. When he go come dance that Sade, the way he go come bend in waist, I want to look accountant and say.
So you dey observe another man waist. Mama, you a bad guy. This Mama na bad guy. But anyway, so your fourth single now be Mama.
Yeah.
So the right now, so you get your brand new work way outside for the market, and a very important one. With even people don't already say the song, you don't release that to them already. But this song never play for anywhere at all. And so Naija.
Now what's the title of that one?
Wait, don't give it that. Mama Robo ask me. Ask if you call, I'll call FCC for you.
Okay, I don't know say that off na play the music.
No, we never even play am. This music is the secret. So because we're not going to rush get there, what they want to do again now. I mean they calm down. So ladies and gentlemen, when I want to hear that song tomorrow, Mayorkun go perform this song for Naija comedy and award that. So you don't come to the show tomorrow.
Of course not, yeah.
Standard. So we're gonna come very quick because Mayorkun go even day we go there early enough, you understand, to start the show with us. So tomorrow, Mona you should tell them with your mouth what you go get there tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I go to perform my new single, I go to perform Mama, I go to perform Eleko, we go dance, tire.
You understand?
Shade. So that man go be the one.
If you say your girlfriend is Shade.
One time.
Yeah. Now when did they stay for mainland?
Of course, mainland.
They get there like main girl. But now we're not for island. Now be high star. Yeah, that. Alright, Mayorkun in the house, and yes, he come here to premiere in brand new single. This one you never hear anywhere for Nigeria. And for the first time now this song they drop for here as the hot. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and this one not be just premiere. Somebody if you even call them premiere, you understand? Brand new single. Where the title of the song now again?
On Che.
Hey. Wait, you know say this Mama will play.
Yeah.
That I go on first look and say now Yoruba they talk. I mean now waiting they talk.
Okay,
I go shasha morale. You will come down again. No, I don't understand how to describe the music for you.
Well,
I rap it that one.
That I go Shashamura or baby. So you go baby when you don't dress. You go Shashamura or baby. You go baby when you don't dress. Finish.
But Mayorkun, you be Yoruba guy, abi?
Yeah,
From which state?
Osun State.
Osun State. If you speak the Yoruba well, abi?
I know stay for sure, and I Lagos with my grandma. So.
Okay, so now the Yoruba Lagos
Yoruba.
Yeah, they speak the Osun Yoruba. Okay.
Because you don't need to even speak the Osun Yoruba because your governor not the try. Any which way, Che, that be the brand new song from Mayorkun. We'll go feel the song right now. And for those of now who want to talk to Mayorkun, 0700 1102 now the number to call. 0700 1102 now the number to call. If you don't know right now, Mayorkun don't use him to talk and say live and direct go there for the Naija FM Comedy Jam tomorrow as the hot for Muson Center from 5 p.m. If you never buy your tickets, yeah, daddy. But right here, telephone line on the hot. We move first suspended. Most suspended. Who they the line? Who they talk?
Yeah, don't babe.
Yeah, daddy. Who they talk?
Daddy.
You want to talk to Mayorkun?
Yeah, daddy.
You want to talk to Mayorkun?
I want to talk to Nana.
Oh, yeah, in there. Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Naija FM family, and they hear you.
Mayorkun.
About half an hour.
I just say, oh, my back to your song.
Thank you very much, man.
Most of the time, I only just sleep with that. It crack my brain.
You be crackhead.
God bless you. You go make sense now. Come through. Go get it.
You don't get your ticket.
Yeah, I don't collect that.
You collect and be you beg her because you stand up. You buy and beg. Yeah, that. Buy one, beg one free. I have nothing to you now. Nothing to you. My brother, you the show for DSTV. Come on for you, daddy. Any which way, Mayorkun did the house. So tomorrow, we're going to meet up live and direct. He go did the house. Oh, yeah, nah. Okay, so Mayorkun go did the house tomorrow. And for those of you that we want to feel the song, it's not very difficult. We'll give it at the bedroom now. After when I hear the song, and when I go get the opportunity to do it in still colors and to follow Mayorkun run package for you as the hot. Money runs now be the show. Us baby and Naija baby, they house and them. Yes, we want to premiere the brand new song from Mayorkun. He never played the song for anywhere. So the first time when I go here, I'm gonna fieti sile. Mona fieti sile. Emma go to bada. Emma so far to bada. Ine lemo. Ori mama wole to go odu today. Ori mama WhatsApp. Alright, mo job this one for Mayorkun brand new and the color waiting. Che, yeah, daddy. Boy Mayorkun, yes, you don't hear for the biggest station ever, Naija FM 102.7. We tell you if the bed don't know hot, if you know tough, you don't make sense, we're not the plan for you. Tell us to be which will they go. But this one, Mayorkun, nice one, and che things. You stick there on the pong.
Wait, so as I hear the you talk about those sugar daddy, they don't take your girlfriend before.
Like twice, yeah.
They don't take your girlfriend twice, oh. Twice, oh.
Yeah.
Sorry for you. And what's it called?
Sorry. I don't mean they drag with my papa mates now.
But any which way, Cheche, what is the idea behind the song?
I talk about the babe body.
Oh.
But they try to talk say, you know when you talk say something they on check.
Yeah, check.
As I want to talk out for the song, because you say that check no go really enter. Just check.
Now you don't check. It can't be like a dumber. Yeah, that. Alright, now so for those of you that will be checkers, we be say when our body they on check, when I not get problem, if I want to see the check things, when I still feel come, see somebody there the telephone line, no help the heart. Oh no, that one don't be auntie. So if I want to see whether our body they on check, when Mayorkun they sing this song tomorrow for the Naija FM Comedy Jam, and when I need to be available to defend with check.
I will.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, daddy.
Morning.
Good morning. Who did the line?
I think they come from Lagos Island.
Oh yeah, nah. Is your body on check?
I don't want to tell me if I feel anytime.
God bless you.
You like the song?
Yes.
Talk true.
Talk true.
Hello?
Eh?
No,
okay, in one future actually. Now waiting really plan to do. We don't future for the phone call now. Phone call, check. Wait, yeah. Hello. Yes, so who did there?
This is Okechukwu from Tulere.
Okechukwu, Afana, you dey feed the bedu.
I can't wait to hear it more.
Oh, you can't wait. Hey, okay, Pempelino.
This is my mom.
Bless,
I
Baba.
encourage more to complete more.
God bless you, man.
Okay, so Chuku, you did that tomorrow, Abi?
Yeah, I'll be there before you guys.
Oh my God.
Before also for Naija FM.
So now you be the cleaner for the show.
I'll be there before you guys.
No wahala now. You go see us there tomorrow live. Hope say you like this brand new bedroom for Mayorkun On Top.
Yes, and I pray that you guys will go to play me Sade.
Oh, you still want chop Sade again?
Sade.
I
Okay.
really love that Sade.
Okay, you know what you go do for because of you get one girl wey dey your street wey be Sade now. Why you want this one? They suspect you. You know the friend any girl wey dey na Eleko.
I need to Sade.
Okay. Oh, Sade. That's good. No wahala. You go hear am before we come up for here today. Eh?
So I don't be here, I'm not right.
You want hear am now? You go hear am while you know wahala. We go play you the Sade now based on popular demand, but we go need to hear another person request. The one way high pass now we go take. Yeah, that.
Play me Sade right now, okay?
My brother Canada, your pack the radio. You worry. I say you can't worry. When they come up for you, they command me. You be commando, brother. And they say, I go chop on my mic. Station go close. When they worry, who did the line? Yeah, that. Back it there. Back it there.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Who they talk to us?
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, daddy, you get problem.
Prophet Emmanuel.
Baba, I don't want to know your name. You want to talk to Mayorkun?
Oh, Mayorkun.
Baba.
Your body, you.
Mama.
Don't play me, Mama.
Better play you see,
Mama.
okay, you better play you, Mama. You like this song?
Yeah.
Well, you know, you hear Cheche just now.
Yeah, here now.
You like her?
If you feel repeat and say, I will see here and because I like her.
Oh, that means we repeat that now based on nothing to do now based on yeah dad because yeah dad your neighbor laugh come on you go get problem oh dollar okay any which way now Mr. Cheche now as it be now so what you would expect from me till the end before the year go run out?
I dey try organize party. You know,
Okay.
I do school tour this year. I
Yeah,
don
yeah,
do
yeah.
like 32 or 33 schools.
Wow.
So I want to do the last lap.
Okay.
Then organize the party for
To
December.
take round them up so
Yeah,
that all
yeah.
of us go just dey there.
Of course,
so
everybody.
when you don't conclude that you must tell us now.
Of course now. Yeah.
No, you know our guy now.
This church video never dey outside.
He
No,
dey.
it never drop.
He never drop, but
But
he
he
did.
dey.
I don't spy him.
But Mama, all those ones don't dey.
Mama, when you see the video, you follow Mayorkun class. You don't. I know say you don't tell us. I know say I'm too old for you. Mayor they cook for you. But anyway, we still there here. Mayorkun in the building for you, and Money Runs time be the show. Brand new song for Mayorkun, Cheche, and that one. If you see the video when it finally drop, you say your body go tell you how it be. This song never drop for anywhere. If I get my way, I go say this song na lato rumbo from heaven to earth. It just dropped today. Tomorrow it go spread all over the world. But one more time we go feel the bedroom before Mayorkun go. You get any more thing to tell the people?
I want to tell my people say I love you guys. Make gonna come out tomorrow. Make we have fun.
Yes, so
You get-
yes, so yeah.
Everything on church.
Everything on Cheche, yeah, that
On
you
Cheche.
get problem. I'll back you. You'll be normal guy. My mama, you won't give her anything like peck or something.
He na my boy.
But if you see peck, you know they peck your picking.
No, be say whether I go peck him, I go hug him.
Oh my God! You want to suffocate him? I am Mayorkun. Congratulations on your suffocation right now with the theater. They go brand new song for Mayorkun one more time, and don't forget in Naija FM Comedy and Award Night. They happen tomorrow for Muson Center, and the time now 5 p.m. Mayorkun go there live. With me, Osby, I go there on stage live and direct, and it go happen for there. Make we feel this song, and yes, the song wait now waiting. Che. Bye, who? Mayorkun, yeah, daddy.